Hello everyone, this video is the introduction part 1 for beginners. Because this video is for the beginners, no difficult theories will be taught about in these videos. Also, this video uses English as the major language. If you would like to use Cantonese or Putonghua to watch this video, please go to our channel and watch these two videos. To start with, let's think one question. Why we need to learn Arduino? When we are making toys, we always need to provide sound effects or light effects, such as we need to switch on the light bulb or switch on the light bulb, switch off the light bulb, or provide sound and provide or play soundtrack. So how to do that? We need to use Arduino to control these functions. Secondly, let us talk about what is Arduino. We can assume Arduino as a robot. Here is one example. We say hi to the robot, and the robot replies hi to us. We can use a simple sentence to remember this thing. We tell the robot to do something, then the robot do something. We could use Arduino to replace the robot. We tell Arduino to do something, then Arduino do something. We could say that. We can also say that we provide a command to Arduino. Then Arduino do actions. Okay, after know what is Arduino, then we need to learn how to use it. But Arduino has no leg, no arms. It's not similar to Arduino, not a robot. What should we do first? We need to add arms and legs to Arduino, which means we need to connect components or use internal components of Arduino. Arms and legs, just a motor fork, I hope you could understand that this one, we need to connect the components to Arduino or use internal components on Arduino. Arduino is the brain of the robot. We need to connect the components to the pins. The pins is D1 to D2 to D12. And we have 5 hook or reset or ground pin. We can connect the components to these pins, such as LED light bulbs. Okay, I believe that when we are in primary school, we learn how to use the circuit. Only closed circuit could make component work. So how could we add Arduino in this circuit? We need to use the Arduino to replace the battery. And then the positive pin of the component should connect to the positive pin of the Arduino. And then the negative pin should connect to the negative pin of the Arduino. Here we use the light bulb as an example. We connect the long legs one the positive way to Arduino positive pins, and the short leg, the negative, connect to the negative pin to Arduino. I hope you that could understand what is Arduino in this video. And in the next video, I will talk about how to use the online simulator to create the same circuit. Also, how to do the coding works. Thank you very much, and that's the end of this video.